In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make logos here in Canva. Now, I've gone ahead and made a few different logos just here, as we can see. Now, all of these logos, I literally created them within a few minutes. Now, why is this? Well, Canva makes creating logos super simple because they have templates. Now, if we come over to the Canva homepage just here, then if we use this search bar and type in logo templates, come down to see all just here, we can then browse high quality logo templates that we can use ourselves. These are all fully customizable and we can create some really nice logos. Now, some of these are completely free to use, and some of them you do need a Canva Pro account. If we look down here on the right hand side, where that little crown is, if there's that little crown, and if we hover over that, we can see that it says Canva Pro subscribers get this template for free. So if you don't have a Pro account, you can just find the ones without that crown. Now, if you want to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, then there will be a link down in the description. Now, if we scroll through all of these, we can see just how many different types of templates that there are, and there's literally hundreds. So if you spend a good hour or so actually going through these, you're going to find a really nice template. Now, if we click on one of these templates, you then also get a few different options. So let's click on this first one just here. If we scroll down, we can see we have other recommended templates underneath this template. So if we want to customize any of these, all that we have to do is click on one of these. So let's go ahead and choose one of these. Now let's go ahead and click on this one. As we can see, it says 100% fully customizable, edit and download on the go, and you can share anywhere. Now if we click on customize this template, it's now going to open in a new tab, and we can customize all of this to our own brand name. So let's go with my stacking designs. We can change the A to an S. We can change the V to a D. We can then change this part just here to stacking designs. We can make this a little bit bigger as well, like so. Then let's just make sure that is centered. So let's just pull that up. Then we can change this part just here. Let's do daily uploads and move that along a little bit. Now if we zoom out, we can then play around with the colors. So we might want this as black, so we could change that as well. So as you can see, all of these templates are fully customizable. Now let's change that to black as well. And then let's say we wanted to keep it like that. We now have our logo, which took us less than 2 minutes. Now, once you've chosen the template that you want to choose, we also have a lot more options over here in the left-hand side. If you want to change your logo and choose a different one, we could click on one of these. So let's go with this one just here. If we click on there, we can replace the current page, which is this one just here, or add as a new page. If we add as a new page, we now have 2 separate logos, and we can start changing this, like that. And now we have a completely different logo. Now what I suggest you doing is actually creating lots of different logos with your name and then choosing the one that you really like. But as you can see, it's super simple to actually create logos here in Canva. Now if you liked this bite-sized Canva tutorial, then click right here and watch this playlist.